Good afternoon, teacher. The topic is College Maria Auxiliadora in Grabando. And continues the video, if not the school. Uh, the education unit Maria Auxiliadora is an educational institution of basic and general education. Um, The granted it is of faith commission charity rated by the community of daughters of Maria Auxiliadora Salvation Mothers of the city of Riobamba. It is committed to offer Riobamba society quality education with uh, Catholic and Christian Judaism defended by the thoughts and pedagogy of Don Bosco and Madre Mazzarello and protected by the current education law. It seeks the formation of people fully prepared for the service of others. The institute begins trains were in the academic year 1942 on 1943. Third Ministerial Resolution number 314 of July 21st, 1943. It is domiciled in the Avenue Velos Paris and Guayaquil. Uh, John Fan Street in the city of Riobamba in Ecuador, province de Chimborazo. It's a Bain school. Beginning school only for women, where its uniform is made up of with shirt with shirts with eight longer short sleeves, with a red shirt and light blue and red stripes. We elite four fingers below the nets um, with a red with the strongest with shoes white shoes with red strip and red boots. Um, Wear their glass band and 7 in the morning, and then at 1:30 in the performance all, all months begins. School they have different recreation groups, um, such as musical groups, in the woman with much the school Santo Tomas Apostol in the group mix um, and create the music um, um, group group deportive in the basketball, football, eh, atletismo, um, volley. And National and Catholic youth groups where they carry out different activities, even retreats and camps, with different education units. Unit Maria Auxiliadora of the country are included the having extension in Guayaquil, Quito, Cuenca, um, Salinas, in order to meet and have a recreational moment. moment together. To finish the school, it is a mission to bring out excellent students for a university future, um, where the school and have you been asked to be mixed learning, divided the wish to live in alone as women's college. In their school is very excellent. Um, it's very strict. Thank you.